like really nice lighting. I need this.
I'm still old, okay? What's good?
Back here, boo-boo.
What's poppin', Dope Nation? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm sharing with you guys some lemonade braids. And I do have a couple lemonade braid tutorials on my channel already, but I've never shared with you guys lemonade braids with kind of like the tribal look with the two braids coming to the front. So that's what I'm doing in this video, and I'm so excited, guys, because I have just gotten so much better over time. I was looking back at my first lemonade braid video and I was just like, baby, I done glowed up, okay? So I kind of wanted to also just share my progress with you guys because I'm super excited, and I know that just with practice I'll get better, and I kind of wanted to share that with you guys. So also, in my first lemonade braid tutorial that I ever posted, I had introduced a product that I really liked. I think it was called Eubora Styling Gel, and it's actually discontinued. So a lot of people ask, you know, if I still use it or where they can get it from, and I'm not even sure where they sell it. Like, I'm sure you can probably find it online, but for me, like, if a product is not really like accessible to me because I use so much, then I won't use it anymore. So the product that I'm using in this video, and the only product that I'm using to do these lemonade braids, is Shine and Gem. That's in the yellow bottle, and it's linked in the description section. I'm pretty sure like most braiders use this product. So I just wanted to kind of like slow this down just so you guys can see. I know you guys always ask me about the size of the pieces that I'm adding in, and in this video clip here, you guys can really see the sizes of the pieces that I'm adding in. So they do go from extremely small to large, and the first like 3 to 4 pieces that you put in are like super tiny. Like, they might as well just disappear. And that's really how you get that like feed-in seamless look without having like a knot at the front of your braid. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch this clip. And I always say this in all my videos, if you need like more detail than this, I do have a super beginner friendly detailed feed-in braid tutorial, and I'll go ahead and link that in the description section. I'll also put it at the top right of this video so you guys can check that out. So for me, this first braid that's on the nape of the neck is always the hardest for me, and that's just because everybody's hairline in the back is different. So hers is kind of like considered a little bit thin to me. I do have a lot of clients who like have a lot of hair on the back of their neck, and so you really kind of just have to like work with what you have. And like I said, this is kind of like the hardest braid because you don't want to leave like hella kitchens out. And sometimes they are harder to pull in, but what I do is I use the Shine and Gem to kind of like push all of the hair up to the center, and I do that on the top and the bottom, and then I really focus on putting it on like the tips of her hair just to make sure that like it's extended and I can grab it. And for this video, I'm also using the Shine and Gem to help define my parts as well, so I didn't really use any edge control on this video, only for like her edges when I was completely done. the side that the braids are going to fall on, I do 2 rows of box braids, and that's just to add fullness to the look. And I used to do 1 like row of box braids, but I still felt like it looked thin, so I always do 2 rows. For the braids going in the opposite direction, we kind of just followed the curve of this first braid that I'm doing here. She didn't want any like design where they're crossing or, you know, like any zigzag parting or anything, so we kind of just did something super simple and just kept everything going in one direction. And I personally like the designs, like when people crisscross them and stuff, because I feel like it really like sets the lemonade braids look off, and it allows you to be creative. Like everybody has their own style of what they want to do, so I personally do like it, but sometimes simple is cute too, so we kept it really simple. For the finishing touches, I pretty much do the same thing for every braided style. I'm going to go in with my Vigorous styling mousse, and this is going to create an extra hold. It's also really soothing and adds shine. And next I'm going to go in and I'm going to moisturize, and to moisturize I use the Wild Growth hair oil, and I kind of just like put a couple drops on her hair and I'm going to massage that into the scalp. And this product is really good for thickening your hair. I know that it works wonders on thickening. Only thing is it kind of stinks, but you know, I deal with the smell. And then I'm going to hairspray it with some Got To Be Glued. This is just going to give it like a finishing hold, and I'm tying it down with styling strips. And all of these products that I use will be listed in the description section for you guys. Lastly, I'm going to seal the ends by dipping them in boiling hot water. And a lot of you guys ask about my kettle that I'm using to dip her hair in. I actually purchased it from Amazon, and I linked it in the description section before in some of my videos, but maybe you guys didn't see it, so I'll go ahead and link it again. It was really cheap. I know I didn't pay more than 20 bucks for it, and it works wonders. So yeah, definitely would recommend it. So yeah guys, here's my finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm so excited just to like see myself grow. That is like the best feeling ever. So I hope that those of you guys who are practicing braiding can see progress in your own work and use that to motivate yourself, because that's what I do. And just remember that practice makes perfect. Like over time you just get better and better and better. So even if your work is not perfect right now, just keep pushing and eventually you will get there. So yeah, If you guys love this video, make sure you guys share it, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm so excited that my channel is still growing. I love each and every one of you guys, and I hope I see you guys on my next video. Love you. Bye.